equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely disassembling your laptop and preventing any static damage to the components. Start by powering off your Dell XPS P153G and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery by sliding the release latch and lifting it out. This step is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel using a flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the clips that hold the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the motherboard. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal components using compressed air. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating in the future. Now, locate the screws that secure the motherboard. Carefully remove these screws, ensuring you keep track of their locations. If you encounter any stubborn screws, a little patience and the right amount of torque will help. Remember, if you reckon this is too hard, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motherboard from its compartment. Be mindful of any attached cables or connectors. Disconnect these carefully to avoid damaging them. If you need to replace any components, such as the RAM or CPU, now is the perfect time to do so. After replacing or repairing the necessary components, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Start by reconnecting any cables you previously disconnected. Ensure they are securely attached to avoid any issues later on. Next, place the motherboard back into its compartment and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned correctly before tightening the screws. If you're unsure about any step, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make informed decisions about your options. Once the motherboard is secured, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the back panel, ensuring it is firmly attached. Finally, reinsert the battery and connect your laptop to a power source. Power it on and check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device repaired without the hassle of calls or travel. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully repair your Dell XPS P153G motherboard. Remember, taking your time and being meticulous is key to a successful repair. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.